Okay, I'm here now at the ASM booth, American Standard Manufacturing. I've got Regina Haig and Aaron Haig, husband and wife combo. Good old family GAWDA business here. First question, big year for ASM, celebrating 35 years. How did you guys get started?
ASM was started back in 1990. My dad worked for a previous propane company building propane cages, but then he decided that he needed to go out on his own. And we were barbecuing on a Sunday afternoon and we ran out of propane. Propane gas companies are not open on Sunday. So he said, I'm gonna invent a concept where I can get a propane cage at any point in time, no matter what the date or time is. So here we are 35 years later. My dad developed the concept of an exchange program on the propane side, and the business has evolved since then. We were strictly propane. We've come into the welding side since then. It is truly a family business that started at the kitchen table.
There you go, second generation here. Question for you, Aaron. What are some of the top products that GAWDA members here would buy from ASM?
Some of the top products would be the aluminum HPO8s. Will hold 8 cylinders, the 16s with a firewall in them. We got the 12, they'll hold 12. We have fork truck cylinder cages, hold 12 up to 9. They're our most common and fastest moving within a day or two.
Awesome. So who are some of the key players that GAWDA members should know at ASM?
Aaron and I are the sales team, so we would be your point of contact for any sales or customer service questions. Behind the scenes is Rob Crewell. He is our production manager as well as our safety guy, and he's been with us for 27 years, so he's extremely knowledgeable. So if you can't find Aaron and I because we're traveling, or at least that's what we tell people, Rob would be your next guy in command, but Aaron and I are definitely the face of the company at this point.
Awesome. And what would you say is a differentiating factor for you guys versus some of the other people that are doing similar things?
Well, all of our product is made in upstate New York. It is U.S. made. We don't have any tariff charges that we have to concern about. We build them and basically ship them out the door. We have 5 other shipping location points, 3 on the West Coast, 1 in Texas, and 1 down in South Carolina. So we have volatility to get stuff out the door pretty quickly. And most orders are traveling, like I said, in a day or two on the road, moving to your customer.
I think, too, that we've been doing this for 35 years, so we sort of have worked out the kinks, and this is the only thing that we manufacture. A lot of the other people out there, they're dabbling in the cages, but that's not their primary focus. So for us, this is our primary focus, and if I may say it, we're damn good at it.
There you go. So next question I got, have you added to the product line at all recently?
We have some features with trying to stop some theft. We have some shrouds and stuff to add on. We have some other whole options that we can change. Pretty much as a program, we can change and make the unit unique to your design. We do vinyl wraps on the propane side. We do have some welding guys doing it. It has your company logo on the front of the cage, and we put holes to give some ventilation. So we have a lot of added features we can do to the cages.
Awesome. And last question for you is, how do they place orders? What's the best way to get in touch and get something rolling?
Call us, 1-800-488-8816. Push extension 5 for Aaron or extension 7 for me.
All right, well, there you go. Quick update here from ASM. Congratulations, guys. 35 years this year. It's great. And proud of you guys for making it that far. And thank you for everything that you do for us here at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA as a whole. You guys are a staple in the industry.
Thank you.